Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this picture. It's too fuzzy to see if they're connected, and I did just maybe 3 weeks ago, I did a video about, if you look at it, it's a polygon inside, and that's what made me think of this, but it's triangles going around the outside. So, and I counted the points, there's 24 points. So we're going to draw one, and we're going to make our ellipse 20 inches. And I'm going to hit P and put it in the center. Then I'm going to bring in a polygon. I've already done this, so I've got it set on 24. I'm going to draw a 24-sided polygon and put it at 20 inches and hit P. Now grab and you can see just a little bit of difference between the ellipse and the polygon. I'm going to grab that one right there and holding down the control button so it'll be perfect. Now I'm going to set my nudge factor on 25. I'm going to move my polygon out of the way. I'm going to color this in blue. I'm going to color this in green. I'm going to take away both outlines. And then I'm going to put this here. Now, our green polygon is on top. So we want to select both of them, and your weld tool will come up, and we're going to go back minus the front. And look at that. I got the exact same effect. Now, I don't know if you were going to cut this out, if they're close enough, and you still got the ring. You got to, well, that would be part of it. But look at that, it matches up. We can do a test with the Smart Fill tool. So we got a little bit of a leak. Probably just because the corner of but he just said he wanted the green or blue. I can't remember what he said. Now, if you needed to match that color, you could very easily match that color with the color eyedropper tool. Grab a color of that and put it in there and make it that green. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.